Hi guys, so I'm now in Leeds, doing another development tour. This is the November update. I'm walking on the canal side again. The plane going over. You'll probably hear it, but you won't be able to see it probably. But it is there, somewhere. That rhymes that, it's there somewhere. So stick around and there's more to come. So this is Whitehall Riverside. It has come on so much. I love the cladding on this. I like the grey brick cladding, it looks really nice. It's making excellent progress. So yeah. So as you can see, Midland Mills slipform court is now growing very rapidly. I can't wait for it to top out. That'll be very exciting. There's a few developments going on this part of Leeds. I wonder when the South Bank 40-storey building's going to get constructed. Because that'll be one to watch. So as you can see, Latitude Blue is now topped out. They're just finishing the final bits of cladding on the top. I think it's only 4 stories to go. But it looks very nice. I really like this building. So as you can see, they are fitting the balconies onto Latitude Blue. I think they're about halfway up now. But I bet you get a cracking view from there. A lot of buildings in Leeds are getting recladded at the moment, like Broadcasting Place and this building here, which is on Wellington Place. I don't know the name of it. Wonky sunglasses. So Cirrus Point is now topped out at 45 stories and the shuttering will be getting removed soon. This would be a whopping selfie, it'd be like New York. Drive Oasis is looking very grand in the sun today. You really get a New York vibe in this city. It's really much like New York now. It's really exciting, and so is Manchester. Both cities are coming on so well. You just get the proper downtown feel in Leeds at the moment, especially around Arena Quarter. I really like this building. It's a 20-storey block on Woodhouse Lane. It looks absolutely superb. I really like it. I think it looks very grand looking. I really like the architecture style as well. How it zigzags, I think that's really unique and cool. Cirrus Point is popping up all over the city now, and far beyond as well. So thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.